For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Number 5.
The Blackstone 2450AZ 28-inch Omnivore Griddle Bundle is a complete setup for anyone who loves outdoor cooking. This bundle comes with a 28-inch Omnivore griddle with hood, a soft cover, and 2 spatulas, everything you need to cook a variety of meals efficiently and enjoyably. The Omnivore griddle plate is built for reliable and consistent cooking. With built-in wind guards, it keeps the heat steady even on breezy days. Faster preheat and recovery times let you start cooking quickly, and the even heat distribution ensures your food cooks perfectly every time. From my experience, flipping burgers and pancakes feels effortless, and the griddle uses less fuel than I expected, which is a real bonus. This griddle offers a versatile cooking surface. You can cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner all on the same surface. I've personally made pancakes in the morning, stir-fry at lunch, and grilled veggies for dinner. It handled everything smoothly, just like a full outdoor kitchen. The included weather-resistant soft cover is made from heavy-duty 600D polyester canvas and shields the griddle from rain, dust, and sun. Buckles hold it securely in place, keeping your griddle protected and ready for the next cook. 2 spatulas make flipping, stirring, and moving food simple. Whether I'm handling multiple items at once or delicate pancakes, having 2 spatulas makes the process easier and more enjoyable. Overall, the Blackstone 2450AZ Omnivore Griddle Bundle is a reliable, efficient solution for outdoor cooking. Its versatile surface, protective cover, and included tools make it perfect for anyone looking to cook multiple meals outdoors while keeping cleanup simple and the griddle protected.
Number 4.
The Ninja Woodfire Series OG701 is designed for anyone who enjoys cooking outdoors but doesn't want the hassle of managing bulky propane grills or traditional smokers. This compact and weather-resistant 7-in-1 system makes it easy to grill, smoke, roast, or even air fry outdoors. I've personally used it during a small family gathering, and it really felt like having a professional grill setup without the heavy equipment. 7 functions in one. The OG701 is more than just a grill. It's a complete outdoor cooking system with 7 functions. Grill, deliver strong searing and char marks like a full-size propane grill. BBQ smoke, add smoky bark and flavor with just half a cup of wood pellets. Roast, perfect for larger meals like chicken or pork shoulder. Air fry, crispy wings, fries, or veggies with that extra wood smoke touch. Dehydrate, make jerky or dried fruit for snacks. Broil, great for caramelizing finishes. Bake, cook pizza, bread, or desserts outdoors. When I tried air frying potato wedges, I was surprised how much better they tasted with a smoky edge compared to my indoor air fryer. That difference really showed me how versatile this machine is. Real wood fire flavor. The Ninja Woodfire technology is what sets this apart. Instead of relying on gas or charcoal, it uses 100% real hardwood pellets for authentic smoke flavor. Since the pellets are for flavor and not fuel, you only need half a cup per session, which keeps it efficient and simple. Weather-resistant and outdoor-ready. This unit is built to handle outdoor conditions, so it can stay on your patio year-round. I've left mine outside through light rain, and it performed just as well afterward. Being powered by electricity also means no more dragging around propane tanks or messy charcoal. It's plug-and-cook convenience. Easy to use. Setup is straightforward. Plug into a standard 120-volt outlet, add pellets, and select your function. When I tried air frying potato wedges, I was surprised how much better they tasted with a smoky edge compared to my indoor air fryer. That difference really showed me how versatile this machine is. Who it's for. Families who want outdoor cooking made simple. Campers or tailgaters needing a portable but capable unit. BBQ lovers looking for real smoke flavor with less effort. Anyone wanting one appliance that can handle both mains and sides outdoors. Final thoughts. The Ninja Woodfire OG701 combines versatility, flavor, and durability in a single appliance. With 7 cooking functions, real wood pellet technology, weather resistance, and enough capacity for groups, it feels like a reliable choice for anyone who enjoys outdoor meals.
Number 3.
If you're looking for a grill that's both portable and dependable, the Onlyfire ceramic hibachi charcoal grill GS305 is one I can confidently recommend. I've used it a few times now, both in my backyard and once when I took it over to a friend's patio, and it has held up really well. What impressed me most was how steady the heat stayed while cooking, something I usually struggle with on metal grills. Premium ceramic construction. This grill is built from thickened ceramic clay, and you really feel the difference compared to thin steel grills. Ceramic retains heat longer and cooks more evenly, which I noticed when I grilled chicken skewers. They came out evenly cooked without me having to constantly turn them. The anti-scalding wooden handle is another detail that made me more comfortable moving it around while hot. It's small touches like this that make the cooking process safer and easier. Convenient grid lifter. The included grid lifter is more useful than I expected. I've burned my hands before trying to adjust grates on other grills, but here I just lifted the stainless steel grid, tossed in a few more charcoals, and kept going. It's a simple tool, but it saves time and makes the whole cooking session flow better. Portable and compact design. At 14 by 14 by 7 inches and 26 pounds, this grill strikes a good balance. It's compact enough to carry, but heavy enough to stay stable when in use. When I brought it to my friend's place, setup was quick. We had it going in less than 10 minutes. For smaller outdoor spaces like balconies or patios, it's just the right size. Complete grilling package. Inside the box, you get everything you need. Ceramic grill body, grill stand with a handle, ventilation door, stainless steel grid, anti-scalding handle, drip pan for cleanup. Conclusion. From my experience, it's designed with reliable performance. The ceramic build gives consistent heat, the grid lifter makes handling safe, and the vent system keeps cooking under control. Whether you're grilling in your backyard or taking it on a camping trip, this portable hibachi grill makes outdoor cooking simple and enjoyable.
Number 2.
If you've ever struggled with tabletop grills, you'll understand why I was excited to try the Bola Grill Master. Most grills either overheat or give you little control, but this one feels completely different in real use. The adjustable and rotatable cooking grates are a game changer. You can raise or lower the cooking surface with just a tilt, giving you precise control over how close food is to the heat. I tried grilling steak and shrimp at the same time, keeping the steak closer for a sear while raising the shrimp slightly higher to cook evenly without burning. That level of control made the meal feel professional right at my own table. Another standout is the ceramic insulated interior, which withstands up to 1250 degrees Fahrenheit. All the heat goes upward, not down to the table. I actually tested it on a wooden patio table and it stayed perfectly safe. No scorch marks at all. Knowing this grill follows the same heat control principles used in professional ceramic cookers gave me confidence in its design and safety. The versatility is impressive too. I've cooked burgers, kebabs, and veggies right on the table, and everyone could participate. With the attachment options, you can adapt it to different cooking styles, making it more than just a simple grill. Quality-wise, Bola uses 3 different metals and BPA-free food-grade silicone, which balances weight, durability, and safety. Knowing it meets food-grade standards added trust for me while cooking. Cleanup is simple with the removable charcoal grate. After a grilling session, I lifted it out, dumped the ash, and it was ready for next time. No scraping or mess. Finally, the portable design is perfect for taking the grill anywhere. I even packed it for a weekend beach trip, and it fit comfortably on a picnic table for 4 people. The convenience of having tabletop grilling without worrying about heat damage makes it my go-to for casual outdoor meals. The Bola Grill Master in Sea Salt White isn't just another tabletop charcoal grill. It's safe, versatile, portable, and built for real control. From my experience, it's the first grill of this kind that actually delivers on performance and safety, letting you enjoy grilling right at your table.
Number 1.
When it comes to outdoor cooking and barbecue, I have to share my experience with the Weber Master Touch Charcoal Grill 22-inch Black. I've been using it on weekends for family cookouts, and it really makes the process smooth and enjoyable. One feature I love is the tuck-away lid holder. Instead of setting the hot lid on the ground, I just slide it to the side, keeping my cooking area clean and safe. The 22-inch cooking surface gives plenty of room. I've cooked up to 13 burgers at once with a Weber burger press. Everything cooked evenly, and the gourmet barbecue system inserts make it flexible if you want to try different grilling accessories. The hinged cooking grate is a lifesaver, letting me easily add more charcoal while grilling without disturbing the food. Cleanup is one of those parts we all dread, but the one-touch cleaning system makes it simple. Ash and debris from charcoal sweep right into the removable ash catcher. I remember one evening after a long grilling session, emptying the ash was done in seconds, saving me a lot of effort. The grill is built to last. The porcelain enameled lead and bowl handle high heat well and retain warmth consistently. After multiple uses, even under different weather conditions, it has resisted rust and peeling. I feel confident this is a grill that will last for years. Temperature control is simple and precise. The built-in lid thermometer lets me monitor internal heat without constantly lifting the lid. And the kettle basin's 3 air vents with swiveling damper blades allow me to adjust airflow perfectly. Over time, I've learned how to tweak them for different foods, which consistently gives excellent results. In short, the Weber Master Touch Charcoal Grill is practical, durable, and user-friendly. From smart lid storage to easy ash cleanup and precise temperature control, it combines real-world convenience with solid performance. Whether you're cooking for your family or hosting friends, this grill delivers both in function and experience.